See, in this video we are trying to concentrate what are the basic softwares are in use to develop different types of applications using PHP. Web applications especially using PHP. ఇక్కడ PHPతో వర్క్ చేయాలంటే మనకు కావాల్సిన బేసిక్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ఏంటి అనేది ఫస్ట్ మనం టెస్ట్ చేద్దాం. PHPతో వర్క్ చేయడానికి మనకు కావాల్సిన ఫస్ట్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ ద బేసిక్ రిక్వైర్మెంట్స్ which are used to develop applications using PHP. First you need to have a web server. You need to install a web server. The web server may be Apache or IIS, whatever it is. And after that you have to install PHP script. And in order to create dynamic applications, there should be a database. You can install different type of databases like MySQL, MS Access, SQLite, Oracle, etc. అంటే PHPతో మనం వర్క్ చేయాలంటే ఫస్ట్ మనకు కావాల్సిన రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఒక వెబ్ సర్వర్ ఉండాలి. తర్వాత PHPని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి. PHP స్క్రిప్ట్ ఇంటర్ప్రెట్ చేయడానికి PHPని ఇన్స్టాల్ చేయాలి. అండ్ we need to install a database. ఒక డేటాబేస్ కూడా ఉండాలి. But here mostly we concentrate Apache server for PHP and we will install PHP interpreter. And after that you should have to install a database. Most used database in PHP is MySQL. Why? Because MySQL is also open source and free to use. Understand? That's what the advantage of this database. Of course you will be getting different type of databases which are again free in use, but MySQL is very efficient to work with web based applications. And it is the main reason we concentrate MySQL. It is free to use, and you can download relevant softwares from official websites. See the link that I have given, so to download relevant softwares. Otherwise it is better you just try to concentrate so different type of packages which are available to work to develop applications, web applications using PHP. See, there are various softwares like AppServe, WAMP, WAMP, LAMP, XAMPP, MAMP, WebMatrix. See, various softwares are available. You can download any of these softwares and you can develop applications using PHP. ఇక్కడ మనం మ్యాక్సిమం విండోస్తో వర్క్ చేసేటప్పుడు కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేసే సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్ ఏంటంటే AppServe కానీ WAMP కానీ. AppServe in the sense which is combination of MySQL database that comes through PHP admin and PHP, and also it itself installs a web server called Apache. And after that you just try to concentrate WAMP, Windows, Apache, W for Windows, A for Apache, M for MySQL, P for PHP. LAMP that generally runs it Linux operating system, Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP. XAMPP, it is for cross-platform applications that comes with Apache, MySQL, PHP again. And MAMP for Mac OS, which is simply Mac, Apache, MySQL and PHP. You can also go through WebMatrix editor, which is very regular in use, and download any of these softwares. Mostly we concentrate two softwares here, AppServe, and people are mostly working with XAMPP. These are very regular softwares to develop applications using PHP. Understand? You try to download any of these softwares directly from respective service providers. You know that the procedure, I think, to download any software using Google search engine. Download a software, try to install software. You can watch the procedure to install PHP softwares in my further videos. Understand? So see, the advantage of PHP is it is one which is with various types of CMS tools like Joomla, Drupal, WordPress and Magento. Many more are available, and also it is supporting different type of frameworks. It comes through different type of frameworks. ఇక్కడ మనం ఈ సిఎంఎస్ టూల్స్ గురించి ఆల్రెడీ నా ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో డిఫైన్ చేశాను. దిస్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ పిహెచ్పి. నో సర్వీస్ ప్రొవైడర్ ఇస్ గివింగ్ సిఎంఎస్ టూల్స్ లైక్ పిహెచ్పి. పిహెచ్పిలో ఉండే సిఎంఎస్ టూల్స్ మీరు ఏ టెక్నాలజీలో కూడా చూడలేరు. దట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ అడ్వాంటేజ్ ఆఫ్ పిహెచ్పి. వీటిని మనం ఫర్దర్ వీడియోస్లో కాన్సన్ట్రేట్ చేద్దాం. అండ్ ఇప్పుడు పిహెచ్పితో వర్క్ చేయాలంటే మనకు కావాల్సింది ఏంటంటే ఈ పర్టికులర్ సాఫ్ట్వేర్స్లో ఏదైనా ఒక సాఫ్ట్వేర్ని డౌన్లోడ్ చేయండి. ఎక్కువ మంది ఎక్కువగా యూజ్ చేసేది ఏంటంటే ఎగ్జాంపుల్ తర్వాత యాప్సెల్. నా రెగ్యులర్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్లో నేను ఎక్కువగా వర్క్ చేసేది ఎగ్జాంప్ అండ్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ ఐ యూస్ టు వర్క్ విత్ యాప్సెల్. They are very simple in use. You just try to concentrate, download respective softwares and try to run your PHP applications. Okay, run your PHP applications. Understand? Thank you very much. The video by Murali, Edutech, near to Ramatakis, Vizag. For more clarity and clarifications, you just try to contact me at 8499985959. Thank you again. Welcome to .NET-PHPvideos.com. For more video clarity, better set YouTube HD video settings. Today we are going to concentrate basic meaning of PHP and also basic history of PHP. And see, PHP is now the world's topmost web technology. PHP is an acronym for Hypertext Preprocessor. Understand? So present ఉన్న technologies లో web technologies లో number 1 technology PHP, and it is open source server side scripting language under PHP అనేది server side scripting language. See, there you will be getting two types of scripting languages. One is called server side scripting languages, another one is called client side scripting languages. Understand? But PHP is said to be a server side scripting language which is to create dynamic web pages, and it is embedded with HTML. The reason PHP is said to be HTML embedded scripting language అంటారు. PHPని HTML embedded scripting language అని ఎందుకంటారంటే it is now alongside HTML and it is working with HTML. The syntax of PHP that you can integrate with HTML. The reason it is called HTML embedded server side scripting languages. The code of PHP is going to be executed on the server. PHP code అనేది server side execute అవుతుంది, server లో execute అవుతుంది. The main advantage of PHP, it is free. It's not a commercial paid software. It is a free resource. You can directly download it from various websites. Understand? And the official website for PHP is www.php.net. Understand? Once again, PHP is HTML embedded server side scripting language. The intention of PHP is to create dynamic web applications. Dynamic in the sense there are two types of web applications. One is called static and the other one is called dynamic. Static pages are very simple HTML pages, but PHP is not to create basic static pages. It is to implement server side logical functionality. The reason it is called server side scripting language. Understand? And you try to concentrate what exactly a PHP file contains. And a PHP file contains general text, HTML, CSS, and some client side scripting languages, server side scripting languages. Of course, PHP is itself a server side scripting language. So languages like jQuery, JavaScript that you can integrate in order to implement a dynamic functionality, a dynamic web application. And it is executed on the server and it is going to return data in the form of HTML. ఏ పర్టికులర్ వెబ్ టెక్నాలజీ అయినా బ్రౌజర్లో డేటాని HTML ఫార్మాట్లోనే రిటర్న్ చేస్తుంది, గుర్తించుకోండి. అలాగే PHP కూడా డేటాని ఏ ఫార్మాట్లో రిటర్న్ చేస్తుందంటే it is going to return data in the form of HTML. PHP file is to be saved with an extension of .php. Remember PHP file ని .php అనే ఫార్మాట్ తో సేవ్ చేస్తాం. ఇక్కడ advantages of PHP are very huge. The main advantages are it is not for a particular operating system, it is going to be run at different type of operating systems. That is the main advantage of PHP. It is compatible with different type of servers. It is supporting multiple databases like MySQL, SQLite, Oracle, etc. PHP is very simple to learn and having less syntax conflicts. Understand? See, these are some of the important advantages that are from PHP. The reason mostly we used to work with PHP. ఇంకా మనం చాలా అడ్వాంటేజెస్ చెప్పుకోవచ్చు. అడ్వాంటేజెస్ అంటే PHP supporting various CMS tools. No technology is giving such CMS tools which are going to reduce our work burden a lot. Content management system websites లో PHP అనేది number 1. I can say that it is the number 1 platform to create content management system websites within fraction of minutes, and also it is supporting latest technical concepts like object oriented programming, and also it is with a lot of frameworks like Gen, Smarty, Coordinator, Cake PHP, etc. So the implementation relating to PHP very huge. That is the one of the main advantage of PHP, to use PHP in our regular implementations. Understand? And now you try to concentrate basic history of PHP. So the origins of PHP date back to 1995, when an individual programmer named Rasmus Ledroff developed a peerless CGS script that enabled him to know how many users were reading his resume online. Understand? The main script contains, this particular script contains 2 pages. First page is called login page, second page is called visitors count page. Because web development at the time was still a fledgling technology, tools such as these were not available, thus Ledroff script generated quite a bit of interest. Ledroff began giving new additions to his tool set as personal home page first. The Ledroff started to continue developing the language, with perhaps the most notable early change being a new feature for converting data entered in an HTML from into symbolic variables, encouraging exportations into other systems. Later on, so a couple of programmers joined Ledroff, so they made it very easy, and they incorporate alongside HTML and rewrote the parsing engine, giving birth to a new version named 3.0 in June 1998. Development has been continuing to enhance the facilities of PHP in terms of object-oriented programming, frameworks and CMS tools related to PHP a lot nowadays. There are a couple of versions came to light and playing good role at web technology nowadays. Understand? Actually ఈ PHP అనేది బేసిక్గా రాస్మస్ లెడ్రఫ్ అనే డెవలపర్ ఇంట్రొడ్యూస్ చేశారు 1995లో. తన రెజ్యూమ్ని ప్రిపేర్ చేసుకున్నాడు. బేసిక్గా తన రెజ్యూమ్ని అంటే ఏంటంటే తన రెజ్యూమ్ ఆన్లైన్లో ప్లేస్ చేశాడు. ఒక లాగిన్ పేజ్, తర్వాత ఎంతమంది విజిటర్స్ ఆ పేజ్ని విజిట్ చేస్తున్నారో తెలుసుకోవడానికి ఒక విజిటర్స్ కౌంట్ పేజ్ని క్రియేట్ చేశాడు. ఈ పర్టికులర్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ చేయడానికి పాల్ CGS స్క్రిప్ట్ని యూజ్ చేసుకున్నాడు. తర్వాత గ్రాడ్యువల్గా ఈ స్క్రిప్ట్ని ఎన్హాన్స్ చేస్తూ వస్తా పెర్ల నుండి సికి కన్వర్ట్ చేశాడు. సిలో ఉండే బేసిక్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్స్ను బేస్ చేసి PHP అనేది ఎన్హాన్స్ చేయడం జరిగింది. తర్వాత లెడ్రఫ్తో పాటు కొంతమంది టీమ్ ఆఫ్ డెవలపర్స్ జాయిన్ అవ్వడం జరిగింది. దే ఇన్కార్పొరేటెడ్ PHP with HTML and they made it a successful software, a successful server-side scripting language in the world nowadays. Okay, PHP తర్వాత 3.0 వెర్షన్ నుండి గ్రాడ్యువల్గా ఇంక్రీజ్ అవుతూ వస్తుంది, and now you will be getting more and more versions to work with PHP environment, and this is the basic history that you have to know before stepping into PHP. Understand? I hope you understand everything, and you just try to go through my further videos. I will keep definitely most of the information which is very useful for all. Okay, thank you very much. This is Murali, Edgitech, near to Ramatakis, Visakhapatnam. For more information and live assistance, you just try to call us 8499985959. Thank you once again.